calculating the mass of a given volume of gas. Now we're going to determine the mass of a given volume of gas. The volume of gas will be given. I need to find the mass of this gas. So let's work on this exercise together step by step to see how we'll find the mass of this gas. So this is the question. Let's read it together. On 6 May 1937, the airship Hindenburg caught fire and 36 people died. Suppose an airship contained 180,000 cubic meters of hydrogen, a little bit less than the Hindenburg. We can calculate the mass of this hydrogen. Here we need to focus only on what's given. The rest doesn't matter. So we have 180,000 meter cube of hydrogen. This is the given that I need so that I can determine the mass of the hydrogen. I have the volume given in meter cubed. How can I convert it into decimeter cubed? So the volume of gas will be equals to 180 million decimeter cubed. I simply multiply 180,000 by 1,000 to obtain 180 million decimeter cubed. Now I will find the mass of hydrogen. As we've studied before, mass in grams equals to the number of moles multiplied by the mass of 1 mole in grams. The mass of 1 mole of hydrogen gas, H2, is 2 grams, since it is the same as the relative formula mass. So since hydrogen has 2 below it as a subscript, so as we have studied before, the mass of 1 mole will be equals to 2 grams. What about the number of moles? We don't know it. If we find the number of moles, we can easily find the mass. So we have a rule that says number of moles equals to the volume of gas in decimeter cubed divided by 24. Decimeter cubed, since we converted the volume to decimeter cubed at first. So we have the volume given, which is 180 million decimeter cubed. So now we can determine the number of moles. So number of moles is equals to 180 million decimeter cubed divided by 24 equals to 7,500,000 moles. So this is the number of moles. Now, since we have the number of moles and the mass of 1 mole, we can easily find the mass. So as written above, we want to determine the mass. We have the number of moles multiplied by the mass of 1 mole, which we also have. So the number of moles is 7,500,000 multiplied by the mass of 1 mole, which is 2, equals to 15 millions in grams, since mass is measured in grams. So this is the way to find the mass of hydrogen in grams as long as the volume of gas is given. So as long as we memorize these rules, we can easily apply and solve any question. So the first step is to write down the given, then put the formulas that we need and figure out which numbers are unknown and which numbers are known, so that I can know the steps that I need to work on.